Hello everybody, welcome to this platform and today's video you have given a question. A bracket of x plus 2 raised to the power of 3 equals to bracket of 2x plus 1 raised to the power of 3. And of course in this video you are supposed to find the value of x. So let's provide a solution very quickly. And as you know, we have to copy what we have because we have given here x plus 2 as you are seeing, then of course power 3 which equals to 2x plus 1 power 3. Right, so here we have to group like terms, so we shall get x plus 2 power 3 minus 2x plus 1 raised to the power 3 equals to 0. So if, as you have seen nicely, here we have this one which looks like a power 3 minus b power 3, and this is equals to a minus b times here a squared plus ab plus b squared, right? And this is what we have right here. So we are going to say this is a, this is b. We are going to transform into this equation we have right here. So we have to say x plus 2, then minus here bracket, open bracket of x, 2x, right? Then here plus 1, close bracket, close again, then times, right? So we are going to expand this. So we have x plus 2 squared plus ab, which is this one, times this. We have x plus 2 times here 2x plus 1, right? So here we shall take plus this one, b squared, it will be this one. So you have right here plus 2x plus 1 squared, which equals to 0. Then so here we shall get x plus 2 minus 2x minus 1, then open bracket of here x squared for this plus 4x plus 4, right? And then x plus times 2x, it will be plus 2x squared. 2x times 1 will be x plus 2 times this one will be plus 5x, then plus 2, right? Then here plus this one will be 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1, then close again will be 0. So of course here we shall get x which is negative, and of course here we shall get plus 1, and open a bracket of here we have x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Then what we have right here will be here we have 4x plus 4x x squared, right? Then here will be plus 2x times 1, 2x times 1, here will be plus 4x, then here plus 1, close bracket, will be 0. Then of course you have 1 minus x times we have x squared, we have 2x squared, and of course we have 4, so we shall get 7x squared. We have 4x, here will be 9x, and this one will be plus 13x. So have 4 plus 2 plus 1, this will be plus 7, will be 0. So at this stage, you have to equalize to 0. We have 1 minus x equals to 0, or 7x squared plus 13x plus 7 will be 0. Of course, here I have negative x equals to negative 1, and of course x here will be 1. So this is our first value of x. So we shall continue to this one, and of course this is a quadratic equation, so we have 7x squared plus 13x plus 7 equals to 0. So we have our a equals to 1, and b equals to 13, and c equals to 7. So we have to find x, 2, and 3, which is negative b plus or minus square root of here, b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. And this will be x squared, x2 or 3 will be negative 13 plus or minus square root of here. 13 squared is 169 minus 4 times 1 times 7 here times 7 over 14. So x2 and 3 will be negative 13 plus or minus here square root of 169 minus, this is 49, and we get a 6. 16, 13, this is 96 over 14. So this is x2 and 3 will be negative 13 plus or minus square root of here negative 27 over 14. And of course here we shall get x2 and 3, which is negative 13 plus or minus here, this will be 3i square root of 3 over 14. And x2 only will be negative 13 plus 3i square root of 3 over 14. And this is what we have right here. And x3 will be negative 13 minus 3i square root of 3 over 14. And we have right here. So we can say that our real solution is x, which is equals to 1 right here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.